Would you like to know what types of people get promoted in their cloud architect, enterprise architect, security architect, or solutions architect roles? If so, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Mike Gibbs. I'm the CEO of Go Cloud Careers, and I've been an enterprise architect for about 25 years now. And for about 2 decades, I've trained architects that work for the world's greatest companies like Apple, Amazon, Cisco, Google, IBM, Accenture, Deloitte, KPMG, Capgemini, PricewaterhouseCoopers, Zscaler, Palo Alto Networks, Netbook, and so many other companies. And I want you to get promoted in that great cloud architect or solutions architect job. So we're going to talk about the people that get promoted and what they do. The first things that people that get real promoted and promoted a lot do is they upgrade their skills. If you're hired at job 1 and you want to go to job 2, you need to have the skills for job 2. So consistently invest in self-development, get your company to help pay for it, but upgrade your skills. If you are hired at a level 1, the only way to get to level 2 is to have level 2 skills. So get the right skills for your career in your company. Now, the next set of people that actually get promoted are the most reliable people. So it's the person me as a manager calls every time, or I call when the going gets tough, because they're reliable. They always meet their deadline. Their work is always good quality, and I trust them, and they're responsible. So the reliable person with the right set of skills, yes, they're getting promoted, but it's more than that. People that have the initiative and the ambition to try to get better, to try to do their job better, to investigate alternative ways to do things better, that show the willingness to go the extra mile. They're big on my promotion list, because people that have ambition and want to get ahead and are willing to do what it takes, they're going to go far. Now, typically speaking, some degree of confidence. If I'm to trust my employees, they have to believe in themselves. And I want people that have good skills and are confident in their good skills. Because if they're afraid to do the job, or they're afraid to do something that they know how to do, well, then that doesn't solve any challenges I have as a manager if I've got a perfectly capable person that doesn't want to do the job because they're afraid. Now, one of the things that really goes into promoting people is leadership skills. You don't have to be the manager to be the leader. You can always drive change and drive results. So the people that naturally form a group of people and get a group of people to do big things, they're the people that get bigger promotions in their architect world. And maybe they go from a solutions architect to a principal solutions architect, or a cloud architect to a principal solutions architect, or an enterprise architect to a chief technology officer or a chief information officer. Lots of opportunities for architects to get promoted. Now, really good employees that get promoted are self-aware. What do I mean by self-aware? Knowing one's strengths, knowing one's limitations, being open to feedback, constantly trying to be better, and bringing in people to do the things you're not good at. Self-awareness. Now, the next set of characteristics I look for is adaptability. I want in my leadership people that are going to figure out a way to solve problems. And if one day they have to stay late, one day they have to come in early to speak to somebody in Asia, it doesn't matter what it is, they're adaptable. We have to do something, we have to change, we've got a sprint of work, they're willing to do it. All of a sudden they got to work from home for something, they're still going to, because of something's going on, they're going to be productive and get the job done. That adaptability is really what we're looking for. Now, when it comes to moving up, communication skills have a big role here. Because you can have the best of idea, but if you can't convey it, nobody's going to take it seriously or even understand what it is. For you the ability to listen actively, to maintain a good relationship with your colleagues and grow, communication skills are going to be part of anyone that's getting promoted. Good, strong communication skills. Some degree of detail-orientedness is going to typically be seen in people that I typically promote and most managers promote. And why is this? We don't want to be turning out slop or things that have a lot of mistakes on it. So nobody's perfect. So if we have something like an RFP or a response, being able to see the mistakes or having people catch mistakes is the difference between something that gets looked at favorably by our customers versus something that's not. So we need some degree of detail, making sure our architects don't miss a detail that's going to cause an outage or a problem later. So whether it's an RFI response or or RFP, RFQ, or an architecture, you can't miss the details. People that are proactive next typically are constantly getting promoted. And why is that? They're constantly low. Oh, is there a weakness there? Is there a place we can do this better? What can we do? So anybody that's constantly searching for excellence, that's proactive, is typically someone that's going to get promoted. And I know I'm mentioning it twice because I really covered 10 things, but I'm going to call it 11 because I want to mention this one twice. The continuous learning aspect of it. You have to develop better skills to move to a better job. So I know I listed it twice because it's so important. Number 1, number 11. Keep bettering yourself. Learn what's going on in your industry. Look for opportunities for growth and consistently strive to be better every single day. Now, in this video, we talked about the main things. I'll go over them real quick. They are learning new skills or upgrading your skills, being reliable, taking some initiative and ambition, being confident in your abilities, developing strong leadership skills, becoming self-aware so you know what you don't know, and know how to build a team of people around you that can do the things you don't do well. Being adaptable, learning to communicate well, learning how to be detail-oriented and catch little things before they become big problems, being productive. And I'm going to say it again, learning, and more learning. If you want to become an enterprise architect, cloud architect, security architect, network architect, AI architect, join us on a completely free architect webinar. There's a link for one in the description of this video. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell to be notified of new videos to assist you in your architecture career. This is Mike Gibbs signing off for now, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Take care.